welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be helping you to fill the form that has recently come in your AdSense, Google AdSense, and you might have got some notification from Google. So let us go ahead. I have opened my AdSense account. You can see here AdSense account, and in the AdSense accounts we have here one notification. It says like, check if additional tax information is required from you. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payment are accurate. Okay, so here we go. We have here, it says manage tax info, learn more or dismiss. Okay, so first let us learn what does it means to us as a creator. Here you can see submit your tax information to Google. It says the steps how to submit your tax information. Okay, we have to sign in, click payment and click manage setting, then scroll to payment profile and click edit, then next to United States tax info, click manage tax information. Okay, once we are done, then it will be done. So let us ask some questions here. Tax information. Okay, it doesn't give the more information here. US tax requirement for YouTube earning. Click here. Here we have some question and answer, frequently asked question. Okay, FAQ. Then here we can see how will this affect my income on YouTube. If I click here, then we have bunch of information here. I want to show you only one thing. What if I don't earn revenue from viewer? Not this one also. What I am creator in the YouTube. What do I have to do now? Does this apply my other AdSense earning? Will Google be withholding other non-use taxes? What is tax holding? Okay, again, I don't see that questions here that which I was trying to show you. By the way, you can go here, you can read everything that you wanted. You want to know about this US tax requirement or this one. Okay, so here let us go ahead. I'll just try to fill the form. You have to click in this manage tax info. Just click here. Since my internet is weak, it will be loading very slow. Let us not say very slow. Okay, so it says manage tax info, provide or update your tax information. Your payment profile and country determine how your taxes are collected, withheld and reported. Okay, so it depends on your country. Whether if you are from India, it will based on that. If you are from Nepal, then according to your country. So to get payment from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. So this is very much important. If you want to get payment from Google, okay, you must provide our tax information. We must provide our tax information. This will take a few minutes, it won't take long. So let us go ahead. Just click in add tax info. Then here we have to sign in. Once you add your password and just sign in, then it will come here, like it will say United States tax info. To find the right tax form, please answer a few questions first. The IRS, the US tax authority, requires that tax info be reported in letter A to Z or numbers for scented character. Use the letter only such as N for N or okay. So this you can read yourself. And what type of account is Ram Lama? So it is asking what type of it is. If it is for non-individual, okay, you can just click here. Since it is individual, I'll click individual. Okay, then next. Then it will ask, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? No, I'm not. I'll say no. And next. Then select WA tax form type. Okay, this form is most commonly used for non-US individual and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So since we are not from USA, we'll just click this one. Then we'll say start WADEN form. Click. Now it says, be sure this information is exactly the same as on your tax document and that the form is signed by an authorized representative of this legal entity. Okay, so it says Puran Lama, doing business name or this legal entity. Okay, I don't have this one, this is optional. Now we have, this is mandatory, we must add this one. So citizen, I'll add this one, India. Then this is also optional, I'll just leave it blank. Then I'll go next. Then here we have permanent residence address is PO box. Okay, just I'll click this one. Then India, I'll add the place address. Okay, this is Bazaar district Pur. Okay, West Bengal. Okay, if I don't add this one also no problem, just click it. Then I'll go to city is Utfara, then pin code 735228. Instead I'll go for West Bengal. Okay, and mailing address is same as one. Okay, so I'll just click it, this one. Okay, once we are done with the address, just click next. And it will ask tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? US tax law may impose 30% withholding. Okay, when we do resident of the country, that means if we are from that USA, then we can claim this one. So I'll say no, then go next. Now you can see here, this is how your document will be generated. Okay, I can see the file, how it looks like. This PDF form. Okay, now you can see the form is being filled. I don't need to read it. Okay, so once we are done, I will say confirm and say next. Okay, after now certification, we have to write the full name. Okay, then say yes, I am the person listed in the signature section and I'm completing this form on my own behalf. Then once you are done this one, just click say next. Okay, has the individual or entity identified in the text identity section performed any and service for Google within us? Okay, no. Okay, activities and service performed in the USA. Since we are not from USA, we say no. I certify the service provided to Google or its affiliate will be performed. Okay, status changed affidavit. Okay, are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile? Okay, I'm providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payments. Okay, this account hasn't received any payment from Google. Okay, but in AdSense it has already got the payment. Okay, I'm providing tax info for an existing payment profile that has previously received payment. Okay, that means it is saying like in the AdSense you don't have any amount. Okay, so you'll do this one. If you have amount in your AdSense account, that means you have got the payment. So you will say, you click this one and you say I understand. Okay, understand penalties of perjury. I declare that the information and certifications contained herein remain the same and unchanged. Okay, from January 1, 2020 through the present, and we are true, correct and complete for that time. Okay, so once you are done this one, if you haven't received anything in your AdSense account, okay, then you can say this one. But in this account we have some amount in our AdSense account. Since it is there, we will have to say this one. I am providing tax info for an existing payment profile that has previously received payment. Okay, so since it has received, we will say that one. So once we are done, just click submit. Okay, let's wait. Now you can see here United States tax info is approved. Once it is done, you can just dismiss the above notification. Okay, just dismiss. Then if you want to submit another form, you can submit new form. But since we have already submitted a form, we don't need to submit again and again. So this is how you will do, you will manage the tax info in the AdSense. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can just leave the comment in the comment box and I'll try to clarify. Thank you very much for watching.